Namaste and welcome. I am Dr. Priya Contractor, consultant physician. In a world that is constantly moving faster, yoga invites us to slow down, not to escape the light, but experience it more fully. So, let us come together and move towards a healthier body, calmer mind, and a more meaningful life. So, the first posture we are talking about is Dhanurasana, the bow pose.
For this, let's start coming to all fours. And from here, let's slowly lie down on the abdomen. Forehead down. Relaxing your toes, palms next to your chest. Now slowly taking the hands back, bending the knees, holding the ankles. And with the next inhalation, let's lift the chest up, lift the thighs up to Dhanurasana. Observe the beauty of this posture and observe the chest opening in this posture. Body weight on the lower abdomen.
It is a great posture that massages our abdomen. It stimulates the pancreas and boosts the insulin secretion that helps in glucose metabolism. It activates the digestive tract, leading to improved gut health and mobility, thereby boosting digestion, metabolism, and relieves constipation. The gentle stretch of the entire spine helps relieve the spine stiffness and aids in chronic back pain. Opening the chest and shoulder, it helps improve the respiration. The gentle stretch of the neck also stimulates the thyroid gland. So now let us move to the next asana, that is Malasana.
Let's come to a standing position. You can stand on the mat. Keep your feet a little more than shoulder width apart. Try to centralize your body weight again. And slowly take a deep inhalation and join your hands together. As we exhale, we'll sink the hips down, knees out, and completely relax your pelvic. It's a beautiful posture for releasing any gas, constipation, any kind of digestive disorders. Just sitting in this posture can aid your digestion. Also very good to release any stress you're carrying in your lower body. Let's observe the beautiful effect of Malasana. Feel your body relaxing. Now very gently and slowly let's come out of the posture, pressing the feet. With the next inhalation, let's stand tall. And exhalation, release your hands, coming back to the starting position.
It is a very beautiful hip opening position which everyone can do safely. It is the most resting human position but is deeply therapeutic. The squatting position again compresses the abdomen, stimulating the digestive tract. It activates and trains the pelvic floor muscle, which helps relieve the constipation. Also good for those with ankle or knee problems. It grounds the body and calms the mind. And finally, we talk about the most effective yoga pose, that is Surya Namaskar or the sun salutation.
Joining the feet together, knees together, toes together, keeping the hands together in Pranam Asana. Let's begin. Take a deep inhalation, pushing the navel away, raise the arms up in Ardha Chakrasana. Gaze slightly up, try to take your hands back, feel your back working. And exhale, full forward fold. Uttan Asana, fingertips in line with your toes, look towards your toes. You can keep your knees straight or bend, whatever is okay for you. If you're comfortable, forehead relaxed towards the shin. Let's be here For a few seconds, observe the changes and the reverse blood flow in the body. Now inhale, we'll take the right leg back, back knee down to Ashwasanchalan. Chest connected to the knee, chin slightly up. Feel a good stretch in your pelvic here. And exhale, we'll tuck the right toe, take the left leg back to plank position. Full body parallel to the floor, shoulder and wrist in one line, core engaged. Now slowly inhale, take a deep breath in plank here. And exhale, slowly put the knees down and chest between the palms to Ashtanga Namaskar. Your chin, chest, palms, knees and toes touching the floor here. This is a very good posture for improving hormonal health, especially your thyroid health. Now slowly inhale from the front, relax your toes and sliding up to Bhujangasana. Make sure you're not shrugging your shoulders, shoulders are rolled back. Elbows can be straight or bent. Observe your back working, observe the changes in your body here. And now exhale, tuck the toes, knees back, hip up to Parvatasana, mountain posture, body making a beautiful V posture. Try to keep your heels down, you can bend your knees if you'd like. Look towards your toes, go deeper. And now inhale, bringing the right foot forward between your palms to Ashwasanchalan again, back knee down, back to relaxed. Chin up, look forward, feel a good stretch in your pelvic. And as you exhale, tuck the left toe again, bring it forward in between your palms to Uttanasana, fingertips and toes in one line. Relaxing the forehead, taking the forehead to the shin. Go deeper, allow your body to surrender. You can bend your knees if you'd like. Now very slowly inhale, lengthening the spine, raising the arms up, pushing the navel away to Ardha Chakrasana. And exhale, bringing the hands to the heart center and slowly release and relax your hands.
This Vinyasa flow has 12 different poses. It is a complete yoga practice that strengthens the body, improves flexibility, enhances cardiovascular and respiratory health, and reduces stress and promotes overall physical and mental well-being. It engages major muscle groups and improves the strength and endurance. It improves blood circulation and helps in weight loss. The sequential movement, synchronized with breathing, improves the lung capacity and oxygenation. The forward and backward bending improves the digestion and activates the core and the back muscles. It integrates the physical exercise, breath control, and mindfulness in a single yoga posture. So, every posture is a conversation with the body, and every breath is a connection with your soul. So, let us all go towards continuing this beautiful journey, one mindful step at a time. Stay healthy and get connected to the nature. Thank you.